our solar system. So how many planets do we have in our solar system? We only have 8. Sino po ang nawala? Si Pluto. Ano po nangyari kay Pluto? Lumiit, sumabog, nawala? Well, actually, Pluto is still the same. Hindi po siya nagbago. Okay? Tayo lang ang nagbabago, pero si Pluto hindi. Yan. So, this is our Pluto, and actually, we have this role at our space. Alright? This is mandated by the IAU, or the International Astronomical Union, at nag-set sila ng 3 rules para maging planet ang isang planet. So, isa-isahin po natin yon. And this is the planet Pluto. So, number 1, ang sabi dun sa rule is that a planet can be a planet if that object revolves around a star or our sun. So, ang tanong, si Pluto ba nagre-revolve kay sun? Yes, that's correct. So, check po siya sa number 1. The number 2 rule is that the object must maintain a hydrostatic equilibrium or almost round in shape. Round naman po si Pluto, kaya po, tama po siya sa number 2. However, the third one, dito po siya nag-fail, kaya siya kinonsider as dwarf planet. Because Pluto is not massive enough to become a planet dahil hindi po siya ang dominant sa kanyang orbit. Alright, that's why naging dwarf planet siya starting last 2006. So one of the best example of those 3 rules is that the planet Jupiter. So let's take a look at planet Jupiter and let's apply those 3 rules. So the number 1, does Jupiter orbit around the star or the sun? Yes, that's correct. And number 2, si Jupiter po ba ay almost round in shape? Yes. And number 3, siya po ba ang dominant sa kanyang orbit? Yes. Ibig sabihin, nag-apply po ang 3 rules. That's why Jupiter is considered a planet. Alright. Now, let's move forward and let's have our next video. Lahat po tayo harap dito ulit sa ating dome. Starting from the ocean up to our space.
How often do we wonder where we come from and where we are going? What is the destiny of our life? Our purpose and significance in this world? Why are we here? How did the universe, our Earth, life, come into existence?
mag-enjoy po tayong lahat. Let's